Well, here we are at a park in Milwaukee. It's absolutely beautiful out here. It's an area where they have a boat ramp. So over in that car park and over here it's for trucks with trailers with boats on. We can't normally park there. So that's the boat ramp, and that is the Willamette River out in the distance. And these look like blackberries. I shouldn't have seen them. I'll be eating them like crazy. And this looks like a little estuary there. Water's drained off into there. And there's some ducks down enjoying themselves, having a bit look around. And that looks like somebody on one of them jet skis. And this is like a reinforcement here, because just over there is the water. So it's keeping us up quite a height above the level of the river here. And that's the little town of Milwaukee, Milwaukie, Oregon. The next truck in the distance, American flag there, and probably the Water Bureau flag or something, or maybe a state flag, which is what, a beaver. Just over there, the eagle flying over the river looking for something to eat, doing these rounds. I was a bit concerned that he might have went for the drone, but he didn't. Thank you, Eddie. That is your real name. Welcome to a summer's day in Oregon. Isn't this lovely?
Return to launch flight mode.
You just push a button on the controller and the drone returns automatically. In the center of the picture you'll see a railway trestle. You don't see them very often. Reminds me of the Old West. Look at it, crossing the river. Here we have a riverboat taking paying customers up and down the river. Pretty cool. Beautiful way to spend an afternoon, eh? Many years ago my old boss took us out here on this boat. It's the Portland Spirit. Lovely boat, has a piano bar in downstairs and everything. I even got to drive it. Of course, you can't go to the river without first saying hello to the ducks. And going up we can see the town of Milwaukee here, the part that's near the river anyhow. With that, it's goodbye from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.